Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have part 2 of my 22S unboxing. This is another heart item, so I'm really excited to unbox this with you. This is a true unboxing. I have not seen this in person. It just arrived, so let's get right into it. So here is my receipt. I will share the price after. And here is the box. Again, the camellia fell off, but that's okay. So you might be able to guess what this is based on the box. Just gonna a little bit. There we go. Okay, so here's the box. And here is the dust bag. Tiny dust bag to reveal. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so this is the heart wristlet, or Chanel calls it the arm coin purse. So it's got like a little wristband thing here, and it is just like a miniature version of the heart bags. So this is the smallest version that you can get, and it still has the little cute heart zipper pull. And I wasn't sure if this is a functioning, okay, it is a functioning turn lock, although I don't know what you would ever put in there because it's a tiny little slip pocket, and this is such a tiny little turn lock. It's so cute. And then, oh, this zipper is actually really easy to open, and it is stuffed. Let's keep the stuffing out. And here is the inside. It is just a white fabric. This one is made in Italy. My gold one was made in France. So I guess the arm coin purses are made in Italy. And it does come with an authenticity card because it is an SLG, so it's a 321 series. And yeah, it's so cute. Let me see if I can put it on here just to show you how it looks on the wrist. It's quite big on the wrist, so I don't know if I would actually do that, but it could be handy to be hands-free. I have no idea what this will fit. I will do a video to show what it will fit once I've played around with it. I'm going to show you it actually next to my heart clutch on chain, the gold one. Let me just grab that. I want to give you an idea of the size difference here. So this one is tiny. It is really cute. Probably not the most practical purchase I've ever made, but it is a super cute piece to have. And yeah, I'm not sure what I'll use it for, but so this is the smallest version of the heart items, and this is the second to largest. So in between these two, there is the belt bag or waist bag, and then there's the largest actual bag style. So yeah, I feel really lucky to have been able to get these because I know that these items are extremely popular right now. So yeah, these are really cute additions to my collection. I don't have anything like either of these, so that's it. Just a quick little unboxing. Let me know what you think, and if you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33, and I just remembered that I need to share the price, so let me look at my receipt. So the price in Canadian dollars is $2,300 for this one, so it's a pretty steep price for an SLG, that's for sure. But I guess because it's such a sort of special and rare piece that, I don't know, I guess that's how they justify the price. I don't really know, but I know it's been a really long time since Chanel has done heart pieces. So anyway, yeah, the price is crazy. But yeah, thanks again for watching, and have a great day.